everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to share with you guys a clean with me video. Typically I do a clean with me video at least twice a month, and so I wanted to share with you guys not just typical things that I normally clean like the bathroom and the kitchen, the dining room or the living room. I also wanted to add in cleaning out the inside of the refrigerator as well as cleaning the inside of my washing machine. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. When cleaning out my washing machine, I use baking soda, a little bit of clothing detergent, and vinegar. This particular day of cleaning, I was trying to hurry up and get a lot of things done around the house. My husband was sleeping before going to work, and my son was at work, so it was the perfect time to film and clean the house and do a video. Okay, so people, so it is time, since I have finished the kitchen for the most part, it is time for me to clean out the refrigerator, and let me show you how it looks. It's not a disaster, but it needs some cleaning. So let's get started. So this is the refrigerator. It's not looking really bad. For the most part, it just needs to be cleaned out. Maybe organized a little bit, but it is really not real bad. Just needs to be cleaned up. as you all can see, it was time for me to clean out the inside of the toilet bowl, and I usually end up using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray as well as the Dollar Tree cleanser for cleaning out the inside of the bowl. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.